Returta.
Sari now attempts to spike.
That point came from ang depensa.
Oo, totoo yan. Back set to Nitura. Blocked by Canino.
Having that height.
Ginagamit na nila yung blockers ngayon.
That's
Canino.
Laput setting the ball to Canino. Still, Silva defended that ball. That
Powerful
was a
spike.
powerful.
Silva's all-around tactics sa court. Kuhang-kuha niya lahat ng bola. Another dig by Nitura.
But you know what's good thing here, Coach Win? Yung mga powerful hit cut from the Lady Knights. Their floor defense coming from the attack. But it's the team captain, Angel Canino, giving that accounts ng mga fans na nandito sa USEP Gym.
Ayan, jump serve by Laput. Makilang. Small but mighty Makilang.
And it will be a great help para sa Letran Knights.
And with that, out of system.
Na maibalik yung laro nila coming from their loss yesterday.
Yeah. Look at the block of Del Castillo and Tolentino.
They have to.
Oo, totoo yan. Kasi nga, you have to get a string of points, consecutive points.
You see that, Coach Win? But it's it's check ball according to our first referee.
That is correct. And that was such a...
Tingnan niya muna yung floor defense ng De La Salle before she commit that offense.
She has multiple options in attack. This time, Reterta scores for La Salle. Another notable addition. Set to Nitura. Tolentino was there. Laput. Blocked by De La Cruz. Coverage was present. Oh no.
Oh,
No, the setter of La Salle serving. Nitura. Another kill block by Provido. Colendra subbed her and provided quality minutes for Latran.
that was saved by the net.
Oo.
But still, sabi ko nga, hindi pa naman tapos itong first set. Kaya pa nilang umabol hanggang hindi nagto-25.
Oo, and Reterta finding the gaps in the blocks.
Net.
Reterta. Mabigat na serve.
That was a full swing attack from Sari, but Rodriguez was there.
Silva was present, kaya hindi lang masyadong naangat ang bola. And La Salle is showing no mercy at this point in the set.
That's another block from the Lady Spikers. Blocker kasi before. Kaya talagang pagkagana na malalaki yung blocker, you have to strengthen their coverage and placement, I guess.
That is true. And we have the set point right now for La Salle, but net violation ginagawa sa court ngayon, Coach.
Totoo, Coach Win, but that a check ball according to
Yeah.
their first referee. And going
To double time in their attacks kasi maganda naman yung floor defense nila. String of points, being and we're hoping that this game will be more exciting as it goes on and on. Nice dig
that's the
by
nice dig
Makilang.
from Makilang.
Colendra, a fatal mistake there which earns La Salle there. And now Tolentino providing the
Bola.
Oo.
Kasi talagang nangyayari siya sa
Actual
official
game.
game, sa actual game.
Makilang there challenging the blocks, but to get a point.
That's Silva. Pero hindi nagawa ng Israelier yung misisave na bola coming from Silagang mabigat.
That's true. They invest on their service. Babaw doon pero nakuha ni Estrelier. Sari. De Leon was present. Power tip again by Provido in the middle. Hope for Letran because she's letting the ball alive pa. Kulang lang ng follow through.
Totoo. That's a combination
Nice
from
dig.
La Salle. But
Puto yun.
the libero of Letran was there.
Oo, Masilva man or itong number 14 nila na libero, angat pa rin ang bola.
You can see Coach Win.
So did not call a timeout yet. Kanina, 4-point lead lang yun pero
During
tumawag
the
na
first
siya.
set. That was a very quick attack from Provido.
Within the spike,
That set of Tolentino to Provido.
nakita mo yun.
Nakita niyo yung butas dyan, but
Provido was there
Provido was
to
there.
provide the coverage. Back set again to Nitura. This time, she gets that point. Start, no Shea Nitura of Adamson. Kaya alam mong talagang mga magagaling yan.
yes, most of our volleyball players ay talaga namang magkakapatid. It really runs.
University Manila.
That was a jump serve ace coming from Laput.
Tari's jump serve this time.
That's De Leon giving that ball to Canino. There's a spot there.
Oh.
The bench of Lasal. The height is
Also imposing, no?
yes, totoo.
Ayun, De La Cruz there, but De Leon is present. Masyadong mababa kay Raterta. But Raterta found a way to kill that ball.
Giving the De La Salle
Another notable addition in the lineup of LaSalle. De La Cruz slides and gets a point. Maybe more of that, Coach Hazel.
totoo, Coach Win. That is really served for the Lady Knights.
Raterta, block this time. Bumalik sa kanya yung bola.
Yeah, it's a check ball.
Oo. Sal, serving for Latran. Service ace. Being a beach volleyball player, De Leon, Provido, cross-court attack.
Another point coming from Provido. It will be hard for them to get a point if they cannot attack.
Nice receive. Sari,
That's Sari. Still alive. But
Ay.
unfortunately, Canino was not
sayang
able.
player. Very young.
That was a good serve coming from Sari.
And Lidesma ends that ball. Very promising future for this young lady.
It's Makilang.
One hand save by Laput.
That was a good receive by the Rodriguez. Giving that point for Lasal kasi 13.
Nice receive by Sari. Set to Makilang. Very clever move by Makilang there.
I have to na lang, 4 na lang. But now, umangat na naman ito sa 6.
Ayun.
That was a one-man block coming from Provido.
And De La Cruz.
It was a 7-point lead for De La Salle. The official score 22-15 in favor of De La Salle.
Another block.
But that was a good save from Sari.
Laput, no block.
Laput grabbed the chance.
That's a monstrous spot.
Blockings, floor defense, and service. That's Australia giving that combination play to Makilang.
Ayun. Maraming combination plays. Ang isa sa susi na mas mapapa-improve pa. But this time, Laput. The set point for Lasal. Sari, another powerful player, but
Laput denied that hit from Letran, which
mabuhay ang Letran dito sa third set.
and speaking of that first point of that, we will see kung makuha nila itong third set.
Oo, kasi Lasal is known not to give free points. And look at that.
Look at that, Coach Win. Hindi papayag ang Lasal.
Siyempre, they are known to be the number 1 blocking team in the league.
I agree with that.
Laput over the blocks.
And Makilang was able to receive that ball. That was a combination frame play from Ganino.
Joust in the net. Back set to Laput.
Still, Letran was able to receive that ball.
But Laput was all over that ball.
Yes, tama, Coach Win. The Lady Spikers.
Score is 3-1, and with that service ace, the lead is now 3 points for Lasal. Tangkad ng Lasal,
Totoo
Coach.
dyan. Or they can make combination play.
And Provido now proving that she's with Provido because she has such an angelic face, no? But very aggressive player.
Yes.
Nice dig by Provido. Laput,
But still,
Makilang was
Makilang
there.
was able to receive pero outside.
Too strong.
Too
for
strong.
her.
Aabot si Laput sa moment na yun.
Laput again, jump serving.
Estrella giving the
Ledesma.
running set to Ledesma.
Del Castillo.
Win. Isa siya sa pumupuntos for Letran. Oops. Nagkaroon pa ng miscommunication between Laput and Canino. But Tolentino was able. That was a good save
Oo.
coming from Letran.
Reterta was checked. Ledesma. Ayan, waiting from the roster.
Isa sa strength ng Lasal ito ngayon.
But Del Castillo is there.
That was a cross-court hit coming from Reterta.
Nadig naman ni Ledesma, kaso lang, sobrang lakas kasi
Oo.
coach. And we're looking forward to more exciting tournaments like this in the near future.
That was
Good ball pa
a
rin.
good move coming from Estrella.
Makilang there, very cerebral.
Player,
Oo,
Coach Win.
talagang nakuha niya.
Oo.
Colendra there.
Giving
Makilang
to Makilang again.
Isa pa.
Another save ball.
Malapit masyado.
Makilang again. But still, there's a coverage
Back set.
na coming from Silva. You can see the coverage coming from the Letran.
Nice pancake.
These bikers.
It means Laput is in the front row for Lasal.
Yes.
Makilang again using the blocks of Laput.
Something kailangan i-adjustan ng Letran.
Hey. Service ace for taas, no? Malayo ang lamang nila.
That was a good receive coming from Rodriguez.
Better set this time by Tolentino.
Yes.
Nice receive by Makilang. Sari.
That's Rodriguez giving the ball to Canino.
And Angel Canino gets another point for Lasal.
Is in front.
That's a strong jump serve. That's a good serve. Canino over the blocks. Too strong for Sari.
Canino again on top of the blocker.
Team captain for Lasal this time. She's really proving that she's worthy.
That was a good save by the libero of Letran.
Nice
That
receive.
was a good receive
Back
from
row attack
Rodriguez.
by Canino. Napal is there. Oh no!
Oh, there's some miscommunication from Estrella and La Cruz.
Tolentino sets to Canino. Nice dig by Estrelier.
Silva setting the ball
Makilang.
to Makilang.
Over the blocks there.
That was a good receive
Canino.
by Rodriguez.
Younger sister of Mika Reyes. And the miss set by Estrelier gave Lasal the chance.